Maybe not. I may have to go get another one. Putting these bolts on, and I'm using blue Loctite. Why can't Loctite make a blue bottle instead of a red bottle for blue Loctite? Even though it says removable on there and has a blue little sticker, you know, it'd be much easier to identify. Just a little bit on, so they won't rattle and loosen up. Driving down the road, that'll keep everything nice and snug. Alright, got the blue Loctite on it. It's a little hard to see. Push my bracket over, my block over. Of course, try to get it lined up. I don't know why they use fine threads on these bolts. Everybody normally uses coarse. I don't know if it's because the originals were a grade 8 and these are a grade 5. And it's going to give me trouble as usual when I'm on camera. I don't know. There it goes. Nice thought. Yeah, it's going. It's a little snug. I'll tighten it up and this will be done, and then I'll do the kitchen cabinets. It's windy again as usual in this part of the country. What I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be making the iron brackets out of aluminum that will attach the divider panels of the kitchen section to that rail bar. I'm going to make them 2 inches long. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mark them. I need 4 of them. And then I'll drill my holes before I cut them. So I'll have something to hold on to. Just give me a guideline to cut by. Switch it around. Transfer it over. All 4. Hold these down. First I'm going to drill a smaller hole. Actually I'm going to put 2 holes of the smaller size and 1 large on the opposite. Drill a larger one. is a windy area, so I'm just going to be making these using this washer so I can get the holes, but pick them down. Start them with the smaller one first. Probably a little easier. And again, we'll tie it down. Now the bigger hole. Finish them up. Okay, there's the sides. Big holes, little holes. Alright, now I'll cut them apart. They get rather warm when you're cutting them. That's all four. What I'll do is I'll clean up the edges and go install them.